How I fix this instantly. Being brutally honest, there is no way. But don't click away yet because there is a super simple yet effective trick that can be lifesaver if you want to access the hidden settings on your Android phone. And guess what? It's actually really easy. Check this out. This is the Samsung device running on Android 14, but I'm still able to open the secret menu that most people don't even know exist. Now you might be wondering how I got there. Well, Android made some changes for devices running Android 14 or higher. Here's what you need to do. Head over to Play Store and download an app called Force LTE. This app is a total game changer for getting to that menu. Once you have the app installed, open it up and you will see three options. These three different options to access the hidden USSD menu based on your Android version. Method 1 is for Android 11 or below devices. Method 2 is work for all the Android 11 above or higher devices. Method 3, well, that's for legacy users. Select the method that match your phone's version and boom, the menu loads up instantly. No more frustration with the old code not working. So there you have it. That's how I fix instantly using a simple trick. Now that's it. So there you have it. I have also shared the same trick on the blog. If anyone who wants to go there and read it or find the link to the app, that can definitely click on the link in the description and get to the website and download the app. I hope you found the video helpful. If it does, then see you in the next video.